Thank you for stopping by the channel, and today's video is the 2007 Toronto Blue Jays Family Sleepover. So the Toronto Blue Jays no longer host this event, and I believe this was the last year that they did it. And the time on the bottom right hand corner is about 2 hours behind. So right now they're closing the roof for the family sleepover. So the Toronto Blue Jays Family Sleepover is you get to sleep overnight with about 500 other people in center field. You have to bring your own sleeping bag. You get a clubhouse tour, and they have an autograph session. And you get pizza for dinner. So right now we're lined up for the autograph session. They have 2 lineups, and the players are Dustin McGowan, Josh Towers, Casey Jansen, and Sean Markham. So we went in the line for Casey Jansen and Sean Markham. So you'll see in the background people are throwing the baseball, and left field and right field you're allowed to, but in center field in the sleeping area you're not allowed to throw the baseball. So on the right side is Sean Markham, and on the left is Casey Jansen. So everybody that attends the family sleepover gets a free Toronto Blue Jays bag. You get a whole bunch of goodies in there, and inside you get a free t-shirt. So my son's getting his free t-shirt signed, and it says family sleepover on there, and we still have the t-shirt. Also inside the bag you get night shades and earplugs, because they keep the lights on all night long, and all night they're cleaning the Rogers Center or Sky Dome, and they use the leaf blower to blow all the garbage into the center row where a guy has a garbage bag and he puts it inside.
Leaving for the clubhouse tour now from left field. Quadrants 5 and 6, head over as you'll be leaving shortly.
So right now they just started calling for the clubhouse tour, and my son's checking out what's inside the bag. They give you a whole bunch of candy, baseball cards. So he's looking at the baseball cards right now. So this is where everybody sleeps in center field, and they have the infield blocked off where nobody's allowed to go. In the background you can see all the kids' activities too. They got the slide, pitching, and batting. And you'll notice up top in center field, in the glass window, is the old Windows restaurant. So we just finished throwing the ball around, and we're waiting for our group to get called for the clubhouse tour. So they called our group, so we're heading for the clubhouse. We're gonna go through the left field wall. They have an opening, and on the right side when we enter you'll see the bullpen.
Oh.
Everyone here is 15, 16, 17, right? Awesome. There's a couple other students in there that can staff. We're going to walk through sort of just a little gallery of photos, memorabilia, and then we'll be in the clubhouse. So just come on in.
Exactly. That's exactly what I said. That's what I said.
Coming up on the left is the kitchen, and that's where the players get their food. Coming up is the hallway leading up to the clubhouse. In my opinion, I like this hallway better than the new one. To me, it shows more history of the Blue Jays and has a more warmer feeling. And what do you think? Which hallway do you like better? And I like the new clubhouse better than this old one. What?
Oh, that's the old stadium, exhibition stadium.
There's all the memorabilia.
What's that stadium before? Oh, that's done. No? That's done. That's their
That's Exhibition Stadium. That's where they used to play before they came to the Dome. That's where Grandpa and I used to watch the Blue Jays.
Hey, Virtual Alomar. See?
And all the old players and stuff.
We're almost there, guys.
Cito Gaston, he was the manager before.
Where? Him?
Right here, this guy.
Yeah, that's the same.
Lloyd Mosby, John Mayberry, Alfredo Griffin, Willie Upshaw, Roy Howell, and Dave Steve. He was a good pitcher.
How come hardly any of these
Bell.
guys are the unlockable players in this 05?
They play for Jays. They're not popular like in the States. He was good. Tom Henke. Buck Martinez.
How come they both got golden gloves?
They give out the award all the time.
Two players?
To Blue Jays won it. To best in their position, fielding, least amount of errors. Yeah, he won Cy Young, Pat Henkin, pitching. He won. It was a perfect game. Uncle Mike was there. I think he was in Milwaukee. He drove down there and he was at the game.
Sitting somewhere in the middle of nowhere with your yacht.
World Series champ.
What is it?
Yeah, they were getting yards.
Here, like the trophy. Oh, it's the mask. Greg Zahn.
What's this?
This is the ball. Maybe the World Series champions.
What's this?
Baseballs and stuff.
Oh, look at this guy though.
Oh, that's the one I was thinking about. The one with the name tags in the background. I like how the...
Here's the locker room.
Whoa.
They get their own bats.
Look. Clinton
whatever they want. Pretty lucky. Why?
Ryan, Markham, Down, Laser, Cardo.
Greg's on there. Beside him is Bacon. Ryan. Howard. Mark. Family.
Players.
Where's Thomas?
Towers is over there.
They're always out in the dugout.
That one? That side? Why didn't you?
Here's Wells.
Oh, check there. You forgot Halliday. Yeah, it's Matt's Towers.
Roy Halliday got 1.5 lockers. The locker on the right he shared with AJ Burnett. A lot of the veteran players, they get 2 lockers, while the other players only get 1. And I noticed they also get a lazy boy chair.
Stairs.
Yeah, he gets 2.
Why?
Same with Wells, he gets 2.
Why? Why do they get 2?
I don't know. Look at the chair he gets. See the chair he gets?
Look at Thomas.
Where's Thomas?
Over there.
Oh yeah, he gets 2. See the chair he gets 2?
Look at Vernon. What's that?
Oh, there's more here.
Thomas gives you a chair because you sit over that man.
Is under. This is how you get to the dugout. This is the way to the dugout.
And you can see they haven't cleaned up the dugout yet, and they just played the game earlier.
Let's give you spit, let's give you chew, walk around it. Can we?
That's all tobacco spit.
Okay, go, Joe.
Oh, that's all tobacco.
No.
That's juice. That's juice. You want to sit? Tobacco juice. Thank you very much.
Okay, here.
Yours is cleaner.
Go there, guys.
I'll choose off my sheet. Yeah, I really need to go wash my hands so you can
Yeah, okay. Hang on.
And now my son is going to try out some of the activities.
There.
This is a last call for your 7 o'clock smoke break. It is overdue, so hurry up to left field if you want to go out.
So we're just watching some movies on the jumbo screen. And don't forget, the time is 2 hours late. Most of the kids were up all night because they were so excited. And I think they got us up at 8 in the morning to go into the Windows restaurant to have a buffet breakfast. That's about the same time when they started prepping the mound, so they started pounding it down. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, like, share, leave a comment, and I hope to see you at our next video.